Hey guys, I'm Sharanya and welcome back to my channel Wildflower Vibes. And if you're new here, thanks for checking my channel out. Please hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you can get notified. And I can tell you this is gonna be a worthwhile video because I'm gonna be doing a review of one of my favorite foundation. Let's get right into the video. This foundation that I'm gonna be talking to you about is this Alima Pure Satin Matte Foundation. It's a powder foundation. And I am in the shade Warm 3. Well, this is a plastic container and it comes with a black lid and then a clear jar at the bottom. So we are gonna open like this, and this comes with the sifter, and so we open the sifter like so. We just turn it around, and then this is where the products come from. You just tap the powder onto the lid and use a brush to apply the foundation. I love Alima Pure because it's an eco-conscious brand. They offer refillable products. I think their eyeshadows, cream, concealers, and some other products are refillable, but this is not for some reason. And then they also offer a sample program for you to match the correct shade of foundation. So this satin matte foundation is $28 US, okay, and the amount inside this jar is 0.23 ounce. They claim to have buildable coverage, and I agree completely. They have hypoallergenic ingredients. They come in 45 shades, so I'm sure you will find your shade. They're vegan, they're cruelty free, and this item is free of sulfates, gluten-free, nut-free, silicones-free, parabens-free, synthetic dye-free, phthalate-free, dimethicone-free, talc-free. The ingredients of this foundation is very simple. It just has I think like less than 10 ingredients, and all of them are mineral oxides. So the ingredients are mica, mineral oxides of titanium, zinc, and iron, right? So no harmful chemicals, and this does not cause any acne at all, or no allergic reactions to me at least. And I love how this looks on my face. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I apply this. To apply this foundation, I use a brush like this, like a densely packed brush. This is by Elf Cosmetics, Elf Ultimate Blending Brush. I'm going to transfer some products, or tap some product onto the lid. So this is the amount of product that I have taken. First I'm going to apply this foundation, and then I might spot conceal as well. I'm just gonna pick up the foundation like so, like this, okay? Pick up the foundation, and maybe you can tap excess if you have taken too much. Now carefully just stamp it on to the skin. Okay, so I'm gonna go stamp it. So I'm just gonna do one side to show you the difference between the two sides of my face, okay? So what I did here is I'm gonna stamp it first. Now I'm going to do a circular motion to buff or blend all the foundation together, okay? So like so. Some onto my forehead, so pick up some more. Stamp, 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 stamp wherever you need, and then just buff it out. So before applying this foundation, I just wash my face, put on some vitamin C moisturizer and a moisturizing sunscreen. This is the one layer of foundation I have on my face. It almost covered my acne scars here. So you can build it up to get more coverage. So I'm gonna show you how I do that again. So you just apply layer by layer to increase the coverage. So I'm gonna take more and I'm gonna stamp again and again wherever I need more coverage. So this is my right side of my face, and then this is my left side. Okay, stamp, 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 and buff. I'm gonna show you how I use a small brush, this is also densely packed. This is not loose bristles. This is by Real Techniques shading brush, actually an eyeshadow brush, but I'm gonna use this to show you how to spot conceal. I'm gonna pick up small amount of the product and then see wherever I need coverage. For example, let's see, so here I might need to cover it up, so I just go over it with the product and then tap it onto it, so it's getting an extra coverage. All right, so I'm gonna do the exactly same some other places here. Just gonna tap. Where else? Maybe like under the eye, and I'm starting to get some dark circles, so I'm just gonna apply for extra coverage. So let me give you some pros and cons of this foundation. So let's go over the pros. So first and foremost, I really like how it is looking on my dry skin. It's not accentuating any dry patches or anything. It's not clinging to any dry patches. It's looking quite natural. Not cakey. As the day goes on, this will melt into your skin and makes it look more radiant and more nicer and more skin-like finished. I really like that about this. And the shade match, it's almost perfect. So I have written the points here. So this is definitely travel friendly. So you just pack this in your purse and then you're good to go, and it doesn't spill or doesn't break since this is not glass, or doesn't leak or anything. So this is definitely travel friendly. And as I said, you can spot conceal, you can build up the coverage as you want, light coverage, medium coverage, medium to buildable, or medium to high coverage as well. And this works really great on dry skin, I would say normal skin, maybe oily skin, but oily skin you might need a little bit like a oil control primer. Please let me know in the comment below if you have oily skin and have tried Alima Pure Satin Matte Foundation. Let me know how you find it, if you like it or don't like it. And what else? So this, when you're in a hurry, quick and easy to apply. Okay, you don't have to spend too much time in building up the coverage at all. Just find a good brush. Okay, so this is a great brush for this, especially. Again, I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box. This is e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush, and then I really like the shape of this to apply this foundation as well. So this is not a bad creasing at all. It's creasing a little bit, so I don't know if you can see. It's creasing very slightly, but if you see from far, you would not notice at all. And even if I'm looking in my like magnified mirror, I do not see the creases that much. And I have laugh lines as well, so it's not settling into my laugh lines compared to other foundation at all. So I do have dry patches because I do have dry skin, as I said, and I don't see it clinging to any dry patch at all. Because you know, if it clings to the dry patches, people can see that you have dry skin, and then it looks cakey and not so good. But this does not look bad at all. And on the skin, it's again breathable. You don't feel like you have something heavy sitting on top of your skin. Feels very lightweight. It's breathable, and when you touch, it kind of transfers, but not that much. One more pros of this product is that can we apply any liquid product or cream product on top of this foundation, because this is a powder, right? So just now off camera, I applied my lipstick as an eyeshadow on top of my lid, so it just went on very smoothly. I could blend it very well. I don't want to use it on my cheeks, but let me show you how I'm going to use a cream highlighter. So this is a cream highlighter, so I'm gonna take a little bit, and the answer is yes, you can definitely layer cream products on top of this. So I'm gonna just show you, but be gentle. Don't like rub the cream product on top. This will definitely move the product, but just be gentle when you're tapping it. So this is a highlighter, so I'm gonna apply it onto the high points here. So I'm gonna keep tapping till I feel like it's being blended. So you can see now, so it's not patchy, it's not like rubbing off the foundation underneath at all. This is perfect. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other cheekbone, gently applying it and then tapping motion to blend the cream product. The cons of this product is the amount of product that you're getting here. 0.23 ounces for $28 is a little steep, as I said earlier, but they could definitely increase the amount of product they send out. So this was my review and how to apply the Alima Pure Satin Matte Foundation. Hope you liked this video and found it helpful. I will list all the products I used with this in the description box. I will also link the Alima Pure website and you can check it out. You can order the foundation samples if you want to see which matches you better, but if you're close to my skin tone, Warm 3 will be good to you, and they have, as I said, 45 shades to choose from, so definitely you will find your match. Give a thumbs up to this video, share, comment, definitely subscribe, and we will see you in my next video. Take care till then. Bye. Namaste.